I've got these faceplates here that are currently set up with 2 network drops, but we're wanting to add RG6 to this, so I'm set up a fixture with a drill press. It's a fairly inexpensive drill press, so it's not perfect for this, but it works. And so I just tighten this faceplate down in here. And this is stainless steel, so I had to get cobalt bits for this. If I go too fast, it leaves a lot of burrs here. Of course, I clean off the burrs with this. There we go. And end up with that. So, coax can come out there. And then I've got to clean off this after every one so I don't scratch up the next one that I'm doing with the burrs. And for some reason, this drill press is slowly drifting in this direction, so every once in a while I've got to loosen it up and move it because it keeps on going further and further over. So I got a little slope here with a piece of cardboard to take all this stuff when I'm cleaning up, and so it goes straight into the trash, so that'll save me some work at the end. But these burrs can be pretty nasty, so that definitely has to be deburred before it gets put into the pile. And there's the pile. I got a total of 102 that I need to do, and that's actually all of them. So these are going to get deburred, and I'm going to box these up and take it to the site.